Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter extra long wheelbase. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white and comes with a half painted front bumper as well as having a set of front parking sensors. The vehicle sits on the 16-inch steel wheels, however it does come with a full wheel trim cover set. To the rear of the vehicle there is a high mounted rear view camera system. The van also features the 270-degree hinged barn doors as well as having rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the van reveals a very large and spacious load area, complete with a heavy-duty wooden floor as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. The load area can also be accessed through a single sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle. A step and a yellow grab handle make this very easy to enter and exit, and again the extra long wheelbase provides an additional amount of storage in the rear of the van. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there is a singular armrest on the driver's chair as well as a 2-seater passenger bench. All the seats are finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery, and the van comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. There is also climatic air conditioning, and the van also features a front heated windscreen. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.